already done this once. I'm doing the staring contest thing. I still haven't played. There's an intro which is going to get uploaded, and I need Wi-Fi for it for some reason. It's being stupid. So yeah, I'm just blamed, but whatever. So I'm going to do the staring contest at the end of my sentence, and just listening to music and hanging out until my lunch is over. It also leads to snoring, if I know, because it dries out your lungs and your tonsils and all that. Fun tip, I don't have tonsils. I had them taken out many a moon ago. I used to be 300 pounds, so yeah, I had issues with snoring and sleepwalking and all that, so they were like, oh, let's take out his tonsils, he'll stop snoring. And supposedly it helped a little bit. You can still hear me over a steam vacuum cleaner, like what you would get from Walmart or whatever, renting them. Yeah. I think you can get them from Kroger too. No, not sponsored. Don't want to be sponsored. But yeah. I'm really washed out. I'm sorry, guys. What is it, guys? Nice to Thank you, Panda. Thank you, other person I don't know. You didn't tell me to subscribe to me. And you don't comment on anything, so I don't know who you are. Positive thoughts, put a smile on your face, even if it's a fake smile. It's been scientifically proven that even if you put a fake smile on your face, it releases endorphins in your brain, and it'll actually make you a happy person. Like, you'll become happy for some strange reason. You won't know why, but you'll just become happy. And yeah, it's kind of awesome how that works. Be having an absolute shit day, like you'd be having the worst day of your life, and if you can put on a smile, even if it's a big smile, and keep the smile, so this all the time, just all the time, then in time your body will keep releasing the endorphins for happiness, and it'll trick your brain, and you'll be happy, and you'll start like smiling, not knowing why you're actually happy. Like, you can have no reason whatsoever to be happy, and it'll still work. A lot of people will say that it's a fake smile, and even after you're already smiling, because you actually are happy and you don't know why, they'll say it's fake. To an extent. Not totally, because you are actually truly happy. I don't know why it works that way, but it does. Oh, my eyes are starting to tear up. That's awesome. Okay, so that means that I have blatant, I think. But yeah. Days are cold in the cars, all full of the things we see are all made of gold when you Sorry, I got distracted. One we hell are the worst of all. The blood runs you've actually blinked or not, because your brain will fill in the gaps in between if you do it quick enough. It's kind of like if you quick turn your head right and left, there's actually parts of life that you will miss completely. It's actually just a blur, and your brain will actually fill in what is supposed to be there, but in all actuality, it edits it out. Like, your brain has its own editing process to where it'll actually edit it out. Yeah. Sorry, I'm full of useless information. I don't know why, but I am.